Hi everybody, I'm James and welcome to Quantum Props Workshop, and today we'll be doing the upgrades for this guy. So I'll be putting in a speech recognition module, a laser module and a battery display sensor. So altogether we're going to be able to see the droid's battery levels, we're going to be able to have it respond to voice commands, and we're going to have it be able to shoot lasers, which is always awesome. So stick around, stay around, stick to the end, and you'll see the amazing outcome to this guy. So yeah, let's get into it. Right, so I'm not too sure when to accept defeat, because obviously with what you've just seen, I've just spent the past good hour and a half wiring this little thing in, which doesn't work considering the code's loaded on and it's all wired up correctly. I'm just having constant problems with it. It keeps shorting, I don't know why it's shorting, it's falling apart, and I know I shouldn't give up, but it's just causing me so many problems. I want it to be done, and I want it to look good, but I don't know what I can do. I don't know if it's because I'm using an Arduino Uno that's quite old. I don't know if it's because the Arduino is too big and I'm struggling for room and wires are touching that shouldn't. Like, it's still beeping, the red light's still working, the green light the wire keeps falling out. I just don't know what to do, and I've not got the time to keep messing about with it to make sure it works. So I don't really know quite what to do. Because obviously I know for you guys it's going to be a bit of a shame, because I've said there's going to be an upgrade video, and this is the upgrade video and nothing's gone well. And do I just post the upgrade? Do I just post this as like the upgrade, like a complete failure, or what? I don't know. It's just not gone well. So I don't know whether to just put hold in it and come back for it again later. But I think my big problem is the Arduino is just too big. I've got a Raspberry Pi I could use, but I've got no HDMI cable that fits it so I can look what's on the screen, which makes it even harder. Obviously, like, you can hear it, it's still working, it's still got its system in. It's still got everything that it needs. The speaker's still working, the red light works, but this wire is causing me issues. Look, it's falling out again. It goes in one of these ports and it's just falling out. And then the cable for the laser is unconnected itself from the ground system that I'd put in. And then you've got the other bit. You've got the other bit of the Droid, which looks like it's got loads of room in. Which, to be fair, it has quite a bit of room in. But it won't fit over the top because this barrel connector is too big. So I need to get a video out, and this was the video I was planning to get out. So I might just get the laser working, and that was the upgrade. And I'm sorry, but I can't keep on with this. I've got a sonic screwdriver arriving in a couple of weeks' time. I've got to get the circuit board sorted and all the wiring done for that before it arrives, because I'm really running out of time to do things. So I think my plan is take that thing out that I've just put in, so it isn't taking up as much room. Just unplug because it obviously doesn't work, and I've got no way to test how it works. I've never used one of them before. I might try and get the voice recognition module working and just rejig these wires a bit. Let's see what. So I've just installed the voice recognition module, and it lights up. It's not dying, it's not failing, and it's going to look like a really cool backlit part of the Droid as well. It really will add to the life of what it looks like. So even though I've not got the battery module in, that's going to be quite cool. So, turns out I've messed up a little bit. So, turns out this isn't a speech recognition module, it's a sound recognition module. So, I've just unplugged the green wire in it. I had some gibbs. So, it picks up really loud sounds. So, if you just watch that and I go bang! 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 It's not really going well. We need to adjust the sensor so it doesn't pick up the beeps of himself. But when it's a really loud noise, it picks up, and I'm going to make him do like a quivering sound or something. So yeah, sorry if I just hurt anyone's ears, I'll turn the volume down on that later. But yeah, if I just bang! 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 Yeah. See, it doesn't react to it turn deep in, but if I shout really loud next to that microphone, it does actually make a sound. But yeah, a bit annoying, but hey ho, we live and we learn. Yeah, I've just got to program it to respond to that now, so yeah. So I've just sent that code that ChatGPT wrote over to it, and it's doing this. Turns out it really didn't like that scared sound, because it's genuinely just... I'm going to try one more thing, which hopefully should fix it, but... Hello! Well, I don't know why I'm saying hello. You've watched the entire video, but Loki is finished. I'm just going to switch him on. Don't know what that's reflecting off to hit me in the face, but it's reflecting off something. Anyway, he's done. We've got our little sound sensor in the back, which when I'm going to hit it to make the loud sound, because I'm not shouting and deafening you all, but watch. It's making like a little scared sound. It's like jumping. It's sort of random every time, but hey ho, doesn't really matter. But anyway, oh yeah, it does also fire the laser as well. you can see shooting from there. But what I will do, I took a really cool picture of the laser working the other day, so I'm just gonna put that on screen so you can see it working. And then I'm just going to take some shots of it outside again, not as fancy as last time, but just some nice pictures and videos of it outside. And then that'll be the video coming to a close, but thank you very much for watching. I appreciate you following the journey of this little guy. I don't think I'm going to do any more upgrades on him. I think I've done my fair share of upgrades on him that my sanity can cope. Next video due to come out will be on the sonic screwdriver. I've just ordered some parts from JLC PCB, and that will be arriving in a couple of days time, so I'm going to get started on that soon. But yeah, thank you all for following along. I hope you like and subscribe.